Okay, everybody, so we're going to start our number talk today with 30 plus 30. 30 plus 30. Riley?
60.
You got 60? Do I have some agreement with that answer? Okay, I see some agreeing. Did anybody get a different answer? You agreed, Skylar? Okay. Who can defend their answer for me? Gage.
I knew that 3 plus 3 was 6, and I knew I just had to add 0 and it made 60.
Okay. So if 3 plus 3 equals 6, are we adding a 0? 6 plus 0? Or are you saying...
I knew that in 30 there was a 0.
Okay. So if 3 plus 3 is 6, 30 plus 30 has to be 60. So he's using facts that he already knows, right? Anybody else have a different strategy? Lily?
I counted on.
You counted on. Can you show me what that looked like on your hundreds chart, Lily?
I started on 31, and then I count 30 and 30.
Okay, sorry, honey. You started at 30.
No, 31.
Okay.
And I count.
Can you do it out loud?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
And you landed on?
60.
And you landed on 60. So you did a counting on strategy, right? Thank you, Lily. Did anybody do something different? 29 plus 29. 29 plus 29.
So easy.
Okay, Riley, what did you get?
58.
You got 58. I see some agreeing going on. I still have some people who are calculating, I'm sorry. Did anybody get something different than 58, Lily?
I got 59.
Lily got 59. Does anybody want to defend their answer? Gage?
I knew that 30 plus 30 was 60. And I knew to take 2 away because there were 29s.
Okay, so you got one from this 29 and one from this 29 because it's 2 less than 30 plus 30. So you took 2 away, Gage, and it equaled 58. What do we call this strategy?
Near double.
Near doubles. So Gage used a near double strategy. Did anybody do something different than Gage? Anybody have a different strategy? Riley, do you want to share?
It's the same thing.
You did the same thing as Gage. You used a near double strategy. Kale, did you want to share your strategy? Well, do you have something or do you want us to come back to you?
Come back.
Okay. Anybody else have a different strategy? No? Okay, let's try another one. 29 plus 28. 29 plus 28. 29 plus 28. Keep your feet still, please. Jenny, what did you get?
I get 57.
You have 57.
I agree.
I see some agreeing. Okay. Looks like we're all agreeing with that. Okay. Who can share their strategy with me? Lily?
So 29 plus 29, it was 58, and I counted one off, it'd be 57.
Okay. So you used a fact that you already knew from the previous question, and then you just counted it back by 1 to give you 57. Did I understand that, Lily?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Somebody else? Gage?
I seen 2 10s in the 20,
Okay.
and it made 20.
You saw 2 10s.
And 29, and it made 20.
I'm sorry.
That 2 right there has
Yes.
2 10s. And
Okay.
it equals 20.
Okay. I got you.
I seen
20.
2 10s on the other side, and it made 40.
Okay, so you did the 20 plus the 20 gauge. Is that
And
what
then
you're
I
telling
took
me?
1 from the 8 and put it on the 9, and it made 50. And then
You-
another 10 made 50.
Okay,
And then
one
there was 7
second, you're going so
left.
fast for Miss Kelly. You saw 20 plus 20 is 40, and then you saw that there was an 8 and a 9, you said, in the ones column. And then what did you do with this 8 and this 9?
I took 1 from the 9, and went 1 from the 8, and added it on the 9, and made another 10.
Okay, so you made a 10,
And it made 50.
okay, and
then
that
there
added
was
up to...
7 left, and it made 57.
All right, there were 7 left here because you took 1 off and moved it over to the 9. I see. So then you had 50 plus 7, which was 57. Very good. So Gage has a couple of things going on there too. He's breaking his numbers apart and looking at the tens column. And then when he gets to the ones column, what did he make when he moved that 1 over? He made a 10. And what do we call a 10? 10, 20, 30?
Friendly.
Yes, he made a friendly number, used that friendly number, and then added back on what he had left. Did anybody have a different strategy than Lily or Gage? Jenny, what were you doing to get your answer? Did you want to share?
I haven't thought of it yet.
You didn't think of it yet? Okay, we'll come back to you maybe for another one.
I'm trying, but I can't even get it.
That's okay. Let's try 29 plus 26. 29 plus 26. I'm just giving some people a little bit of calculation time. Hang on. Kayla, are you working on it, honey? I want you to work on that answer. 29 plus 26. Riley, what did you get?
55.
55?
I
Jenny's agreeing. Gage is agreeing. Lily, what did you get?
56.
56?
I agree with you too, Lily.
Skylar, did you want to share what you got?
I didn't get it.
You didn't get it? Okay. Keep counting. You can let us know when you have it, Skylar. All right. Who wants to defend their answer? Defend their answer. Lily, I forgot to get you to defend your last answer. Did you want to start us off and defend your 56? Okay. Go ahead, Lily.
I counted on by 29, and I count to 56.
Okay. So when you counted on from 29, it brought you to 56?
Yeah.
Okay. How many times did you count on, Lily? You started at 29, and how many times did you count on?
26.
You counted on 26 times. I want you to do this again for us on the hundreds chart, or do you want me to do it on the number line? Which one do you prefer, Lily? On the number line? Okay. So she started at 29. Maybe we could count this together and let's see where we land. Count with me, everybody. 1, 2, 3, louder. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Where did you land, Lily?
55.
At 55. So are you changing your answer to 55? Okay, because sometimes when we count on by one, sometimes we make a mistake and that's why we have to check our work, right? So Lily counted on by one and she changed her number to 55. Thank you, Lily. Counted on by one. Somebody else have a different strategy that they used? Jenny?
Well, as I did for a fact, I think about it, and then when I started at the 57 and went backwards when it was 26, but I did like three times until I reached it to 55.
So why did you go back from 57, Jenny? Where did the 57 come
The
from?
57 came from the ones, and then I counted backwards.
Why did you want to start with 57?
I started 57, then I count backwards.
Okay.
When I counted backwards, I stopped, and then I started at 55.
Were you looking at our previous question? Because our previous question, I think, if Miss Kelly's memory is correct, was it 29 plus 28 equals 57? Is that what you were remembering, Jenny?
Yes.
Okay, so Jenny remembered 29 plus 28 is 57. And why did you choose to count back twice, Jenny?
Because if I count back twice, it's easier for me to think, so I started by counting backwards.
But why 2 times?
Because if 57 take away like 2 times equals 55.
Yes. Is it because this 6
Yes.
is smaller than this 8 by 2 numbers? Is that what you're telling me?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Jenny. So Jenny counted back by twice using a fact that she remembered from the previous question. Did anybody have something different than that one? No, I think we're good with that. Okay. 29 plus 31. Let's try that one. 29 plus 31. Give me your signals when you have the answer. There shouldn't be any noise because people need calculation time. Okay, who would like to share their answer? Lily?
I got 61.
61. Gage? 60. I see some agreeing happening with 60. Did anybody get a different answer altogether? A different answer, anybody? No? Okay, so we all agree with it's either 61 or 60. Who wants to defend their answer? And make sure you tell me what number you're defending. Riley, what are you defending?
60.
60, go ahead.
Because I knew 30 plus 30 was 60.
Okay.
And that's how I got to 60.
So how did you know that this answer was going to be 60
I pulled the 1 away from the 30 and I put it on the 29 and instead just 30 after.
Okay, so you moved 1 over from the 31 to the 29?
Yes.
And then you knew it was the same as 30 plus 30? Okay, thank you, Riley. So he's using a near double strategy, right? A near double strategy. Did anybody do something different than a near double strategy? Gage, what strategy did you use?
I just knew
You just knew? What were you using to help you just know?
nothing.
Were you using a near double strategy like Riley?
Yeah.
Okay, somebody else want to share? Lily, how did you get your answer? I noticed you got 61, right?
Yes.
How did you get 61, Lily?
I remembered 31 plus, 30 plus 30, it means 60.
Okay.
And then 31 have 1 more, so I put 61.
Okay. Are you still happy with that answer, or are you changing your answer, Lily?
So happy.
You're still happy with that answer. Okay, so let's look at that. Lily said 30 plus 30 is 60, and she said, but wait a minute, this isn't 30 plus 30, I see a 31 here. So I'm going to add 1 more, it's going to give me 61. Does anybody have anything to say about that?
Yes.
Gage?
It's not 30 plus 30, it's 29 plus 31.
So what does Lily need to do for this 29? Because
Do the
this
same
isn't
thing
a
as
30.
me.
Do the
Take-
same thing as me.
Take the 1 from the take 1 from the 31 and put it on the 29.
Okay.
Make 30 plus 30.
Do you see this one here, Lily? Gage is telling you, you could move this one over. And if we move this one over, this becomes a 30, and this becomes a 30, which leaves us at 60. Do you see that, Lily? Are you changing your answer? What would you change your answer to, Lily?
To 30.
To 30. If you did it this way, honey, 30 plus 30 is 60. I added on 1 more. It brought me to 61. Here, what do we have to do, Lily?
29
So,
to put the 1 to the 29 because it counts. It'd be a 30.
right, exactly. So we have to take that 1 back off, right? So we'll just take 1 off and it'll bring us back down to 60. All right, great. Thanks, everybody. Good job today.